check it out.
Check it out.
Wow.
Wow.
Woo. Reverse. Bubble.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel.
Surprise. Hi, firefighter.
Big surprise. Let's open it. Wow.
Wow, what is it, Amani?
Big firefight. Woo. Wow.
Whoa, it's a fire engine, electric ride-on. Vroom, vroom.
Check right on. I'm gonna open it with my app. Whoa!
Wow, what's inside, Amani? Bubbles.
Bubbles.
I'll check it out,
A
guys.
steering wheel.
A huge red fire engine. Ooh, is that the steering wheel you've got?
Yeah, what I've got.
Steering wheel.
What?
Oh, check it out.
Check it out.
Wow.
Wow. What a big glass.
Fire engine. Who's in the box? Come out. Hey, firefighters in the box. What's this, Amani?
A steering wheel.
What are these?
A silver.
Silver wheel covers.
Silver wheel covers.
How many wheels?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bubble gun.
Bubble gun. Let's fix the first wheel. All the wheels are nice and tight. All fixed and let's take it to our next one.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Reverse. Oh, come on.
It's so fast.
Is it fast?
Fast.
Bubble! You're fireman. You're firefighter. Woo! Reverse.